Welcome back to Techtics. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of foldable phones with a focus on the upcoming Oppo Find N3. In 2023, it seems like the tech industry has embraced a foldable trend, making it the year of foldable devices. Recent leaks and rumors have given us a sneak peek into what the Oppo Find N3 Fold might bring to the table in terms of display size and specs. The Chinese calendar may call it the year of the rabbit, but for tech enthusiasts, 2023 is undoubtedly the year of foldable smartphones. Digital Chat Station, a reliable source, recently shared some intriguing details about the Oppo Find N3 Fold's display specifications. Both the inner and outer displays are set to get bigger and more impressive. The inner Oppo Find N3 Fold's display is rumored to be a substantial 7.82 inches, boasting a resolution of 2268 into 2440 pixels. On the other hand, the outer display is expected to measure 6.31 inches, with a resolution of 2484 into 1116 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio. What's even more interesting is that the pixels per inch of these displays is reported to be the highest among foldable screens. The leaks also suggest that all variants of the Oppo Find N3 could feature 16GB LPDDR5X of RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Additionally, there are rumors about a potential 24GB RAM version, which would be quite impressive in terms of performance. When comparing the Oppo Find N3's display to its predecessors and competitors, it's clear that Oppo is pushing the boundaries. The 7.82-inch inner display is notably larger than those of the previous Find N and Find N2 Fold models, as well as the inner displays of the Google Pixel Fold and the latest Galaxy Z Fold. Speaking of the Galaxy Z Fold, the Oppo Find N3 Fold's display size aligns with rumors about another highly anticipated device, the OnePlus Open. This device is expected to feature a similar large display and share hardware similarities with the Find N3 Fold. While the leaks have generated excitement, it's worth noting that the Oppo Find N series has been exclusive to China. However, with the advancements in foldable technology and growing global demand, there's hope that the Oppo Find N3 might make its way to international markets. As we eagerly await the official announcement, it's important to approach these leaks with cautious optimism. Digital Chat Station's track record lends credibility to these details, but until Oppo makes an official announcement, there's always a possibility of changes. The Oppo Find N3 Fold's launch is anticipated to be just around the corner, with a potential global release shortly after. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates on this exciting development in the world of foldable phones. Thanks for tuning into Techtics. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and insights. This is Techtics, signing off.